The Russian Geographical Society is a learned society based in Saint Petersburg, Russia. It promotes exploration and geography with research programs in fields including oceanography and ethnography. History. Imperial Geographical Society. The society was founded on 6 August 1845 in St. Petersburg, Russia. Prior to the Russian Revolution of 1917, it was known as the Imperial Russian Geographical Society. Founding members. The founding members of the Imperial Russian Geographical Society included Konstantin Arseniev, Friedrich von Berg, Karl Ernst von Baer, Ferdinand von Wrangel, Platon Chikhakov, Vladimir Dal, Gregor von Helmissen, William Herbert Hobbes, Peter von Koppen, Adam Johann von Krusenstern, Alexei Levshin, Fyodor Litka, Mikhail Muravyov-Velensky, Vladimir Odayevsky, Vasily Alexeyevich Perovsky, Pyotr Ivanovich Ricord, Mikhail Vronchenko, Friedrich Georg Wilhelm von Struve. The Society's official presidents were Grand Duke Konstantin Nikolaevich of Russia in 1845–92 and Grand Duke Nicholas Mikhailovich of Russia in 1892–1917, but actually it was run by the vice-presidents Fyodor Litka, Count Mikhail Muravyov, Pyotr Semenov Tyanshansky, and Yuli Shokalsky. The filial societies were established at the Caucasus, Irkutsk, Vilnius, Orenburg, Kiev, Omsk, and other cities. The society organized and funded the expeditions of Richard Mayk, Pyotr Kropotkin, Semenov Tyanshansky, Nikolai Przewalski, Nikolai Miklikomaklai, Pyotr Kozlov, Vladimir Obrushev, and Lovberg. It helped set up the first polar stations in Russia and was one of the first to publish detailed studies of the Russian folklore and Ukrainian affairs. The society pioneered the systematic exploration of the northern Urals in 1847–50, of the farthest reaches of the Amur River in 1854–63, of the vast areas of Kashgaria, the Zungaria, and Mongolia from the 1870s onward. By 1917, the RGO was composed of 11 subdivisions and 1,000 members. Constantine Medal. The Constantine Medal was a gold medal worth 200 silver rubles and was the highest award of the Imperial Russian Geographical Society. It was established and named after the Society's first chairman, Great Duke Constantine, and was awarded from 1849 to 1929 to explorers who had made a significant geographical discovery or to authors of outstanding publications in geography, ethnography or Russian statistics. From 1924 to 1929 the medal was referred to as the highest award of the Russian Geographical Society. Recipients of the medal included 1849 Ernst Reinhold Hoffmann for his excellent work during the first expedition of the Russian Geographical Society to the northern Urals. 1858 Ivan Aksakov for his research into trade fairs in Ukraine. 1859 Ludwig Schwartz. 1863 Vladimir Dal for the explanatory dictionary of the Russian language. 1864 Ivashchentsov Nikolai Alexeyevich for his long-term efforts to research the Caspian Sea. 1874 Nikolai Przewalski for his preeminent scientific research, geographical discoveries and travels to Mongolia and the Tangut-land. 1878 Adolf Erik Nordensfeld for his voyage and research in the Arctic Ocean along the northern coast of western and eastern Siberia. 1898 Dr. Gustav Rad. 1900 Vladimir Obrushev for his publications on Asian geology. 1902 Pyotr Kozlov for the 1899–1901 expedition to Tibet, 1905 Alexander Kolchak for participation in Barand-Itol's expedition, and for the journey to Bennett Island in particular, 1905 Friedrich Schmidt, 1907 Grigory Gromyko for all his works in Asian geography and for his description of a journey in western China, Volume 3. 1907 Fridtjof Nansen for his remarkable feats, which constitute a whole era in the Arctic Ocean exploration. 1914 Boris Vilkitsky for hydrographic expeditions in the Arctic Sea. All-Union Geographical Society. The society changed its name to the State Geographical Society in 1926 and to the Geographical Society of the USSR in 1938. After Shokalsky, its presidents were geneticist Nikolai Vavilov, zoologist Lev Berg, parasitologist Evgeny Pavlovsky, glaciologist Stanislav Kalesnik, polar explorer Alexei Treshnikov. The Society has convened numerous congresses and has awarded 4 types of medals, Big Gold Medal and 3, named after Litka, Semenov, Przewalski, and also Seaman Dezhnev Prize. By 1970, it had published more than 2,000 volumes of geographical literature, including the annual Zapiski and Izvestia. Post-Soviet era, the Society reverted to its original name upon the dissolution of the Soviet Union in 1991. The main offices of the Society are in Saint Petersburg. In September 2010, Albert II, Prince of Monaco, was made an honorary member of the Society. Since 2002, the Society has sponsored an annual seasonal ice space in the Arctic Camp Borneo divisions. The Imperial Society comprised 4 departments: Department of Physical Geography, Department of Mathematical Geography, Department of Ethnography. Nikolai Nadezhdin was involved in the foundation of this department when the RGO was originally set up. During the 1850s and 1860s, the ethnographic division gathered and published material such as works of folklore and a byt or way of life, which they regarded as reflecting the essence of the indigenous people of the Russian Empire. In 1909, Dmitry Nikolaevich Anuchin, Vladimir Bogdanov and Vsevolod Miller convened the ethnographic subsection of the 12th Congress of Russian Natural Scientists and Physicians, held in Moscow. Here they pushed for more professionalism to distinguish ethnographers from missionaries and amateurs. In 1917, David Zolotarev and Nikolai Modulyansky of the RGO participated in the Commission for the Study of the Tribal Composition of the Population of the Borderlands of Russia. Department of Statistics.